The coastline of the parish of Hanover is lined with some of the finest, most unspoilt strips of beaches in Jamaica, most of them public and a handful privately operated. Among them is the legendary Negril Beach, which is ranked one of the 10 best beaches in the world and which stretches all the way from the westernmost part of Hanover into the parish of Westmoreland. The iconic Bloody Bay Beach and a section of the Long Bay Beach, which makes up Negril, are located in Hanover.